So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Echo from DH-Robotics. So, I will pick up. Okay. I think I'll be yes. Thank you. So good afternoon. So firstly, I would like to say thank you for our partner TechShare. Thanks for your team's effort and also to organize such an event. And so we have an opportunity to be here to introduce about DH-Robotics. So today our topic is about innovative integrated application of intelligent electric actuators and robots. So firstly, I would like to introduce about what technology and products we DH-Robotics can provide. So right now we have some products. The first one is electric grippers. So I believe you can also find many electric grippers in the first floor in the demo room. So we have many different electric grippers, like some rotary grippers, which with rotary and gripping function. We also have some grippers like PGE series, which mainly for cobots. So this kind of gripper we support plug and play for DOBOT robots. So it's very easy and simple for you to apply the grippers with the DOBOT robots. So we also have a product line like servo electric cylinders. For those cylinders, we are focused on some, all-in-one design. That means the controller is built in. And also we can control the speed, position, and force. And also it has a very good force control performance. So we also have some products like linear coil actuator, which is mainly applied in semiconductor machines to pick and place some chips, and semiconductor components. So also, except that, we also have some new products like the humanoid grippers. So this is one of our new products in this year with 5 fingers robot hands. So we designed this mainly for the humanoid robots. So as you know, Tesla and they also released the humanoid robots, and in China we have more and more company they works on humanoid robots. So that's why we designed this kind of humanoid hands for humanoid robots. Also, we have a lot of customers. They integrated this kind of gripper with collaborative robots. For example, DOBOT. So in the demo room, we also have one humanoid gripper, which is integrated with the DOBOT robots. So for this kind of application, our customers usually applied in some education application cases, do some R&D research. Yeah. So we also have a smart screwdriver. So during this event, TechShare, they also integrated our smart screwdriver with their MG400. So this is a very small size and compact design screwdriver with torque feedback and force feedback. So actually, in China, we designed this mainly for the production line for iPhone. So as you know, iPhone, there are many small and tiny screws. So with our screwdriver is able to have the force feedback. So we can help the customer reduce the defective rate. Yeah, so this is one of our new products in this year as well. So another new product we can provide is the magnetic transmission system. Okay, so this, as you can see, we have some linear type and the curved type. The features about this kind of system is, the high speed. The max speed can reach 4 meters per second. Another feature is about the accuracy. So we can reach 5 micrometer on the accuracy. Yeah, so we designed this is because more and more factory they try to enhance their production speeds. Yeah, so especially in the electronics industry and the battery industry. So in China, we have applied this kind of system for iPhone assembly line and also for the battery, battery for electric car. Those kind of assembly line to enhance the production speeds. Also, another features is about the flexible. Nowadays, more and more customers they hope to make the flexible production line. So because all these transmission system, we can adjust the speed and also the force, those kind of parameters. So that means if we produce some different products, we no need to change the whole production line. Yeah, we just change the parameters. So it's kind of a flexible production. Yeah. So also we have more and more customer like a packaging customer. They try to use this to replace the traditional belt transmission system or the chain transmission system. Yeah. So for this one, we are trying to, this is one of our new products, and nowadays we have many application cases in China as well. So we can also integrate our grippers and our cylinders, as you can see in the video, together with the transmission system. So okay, above is what kind of solution DH-Robotics we can provide for customers. And next, I would like to share some application cases with the DOBOT. Yeah, DOBOT. So the first application I would like to share is the DOBOT CR robots with our smart screwdriver. So because our smart screwdriver, we have a very good accuracy performance. So that's why we also mainly focus on some small tiny screws like M1, M2, M3, M4 screws. Yeah, so in the video, as you can see, we are applied to use this to do some screws on the PCB boards. Yeah. And the second application I would like to share is our grippers integrated with the DOBOT robots for making some coffee. This kind of robotic retail application. Yeah. So this case happened in Korea markets. Yeah. So customer they make a whole coffee station, and they use two DOBOT robots with our grippers. So for this case, I would like to mention the features of our grippers is because electric gripper solution. So that means the collection with the robot is very simple. Just one cable go to the end arm of the robot, then it's okay. Yeah. So also we don't need any pneumatic components, so very easy. And the second features is for DOBOT, we support plug and play for DOBOT robot. So it's very easy for customer to making the programming. Yeah. And another is the design is very compact. Yeah. So the third application I would like to share is happens in the CNC machine tending industry. So our electric gripper is integrated with DOBOT robots for the CNC machine tending. So in the video, as you can see, the robot is integrated with two grippers. So we can support the two grippers, no need any dual changes. Yeah, so it's a very cost-effective solution for customer, but it can, with a dual pick and place. Yeah. So these dual grippers can all support to be installed to the end arm of the robot. So even the cable connection is very simple. Yeah. And the last application is about the pick and place. Also is a customer, they use two different electric gripper integrated with a DOBOT robot to do some pick and place. So in this case, also customer, they no need any dual changes. Yeah, no need quick changes, but they can use these two grippers. Yeah. So for this case, the customer use our PGC grippers, which is a very high IP rating with the IP67. So even we use for some CNC machine tending, the environment is very harsh, but our grippers is able to be okay. Yeah. Okay, so last case is about our grippers and the DOBOT robots applied in the medical industry. Is in a life science application. So as you can see in this video, the DOBOT robots actually they can also equipped with our electric gripper to pick the test tubers. And here you can see our rotary grippers. They can do the capping and decapping for the test tubers. Yeah. So we do have a lot of similar application happened in China and US markets. Yeah. And another features I would like to mention is, sometimes the customer, they may use different size of the test tuber. Yeah, in this case, if with our electric grippers, we no need to change the different grippers, just change the parameters, because all our solution is electric servo type. So we can control the parameters like the force, position, speeds. Yeah, so we can help a customer to realize the real flexible production line. Yeah. So in summary, I would like to conclude the benefits of our products that we can bring to customer. So the first one is we can help customer to for the flexible production. So as I mentioned in the about the application case, yeah, because all our products we are with some intelligent feedback. Also, all the parameters we are able to control, so we can help a customer to realize the flexible production. Yeah. The second is about the intelligent assembling and the testing process. Yeah, with the precision force control capability, we are able to help a customer to gripping some very accuracy cases. For example, we have some case customer, they use our gripper to pick the camera lens. Also, you can use it to pick some eggers, some fragile components. Yeah. So the third benefits we believe is we help customer to replacing the humans with the automation solutions. Yeah, and the fourth one is the low carbon efficient and energy saving. So nowadays, everybody we are saying to lower the carbon and to enhance the production speeds. So with the pneumatic, we believe the working speed honestly is limited. But with the electrical solutions, we are able to use, enhance the production rate. And here, as you can see, is some data that customer they use electric gripper solution to replace a pneumatic solution. What kind of benefits they can get? The first one is according to our experience, we can help a customer reduce around 80% on the energy consumption. Yeah. And the second one is we can help customer to reduce around 50% the failure rate. So that means especially for electronic industry, if customer to pick some small and fragile components, if with the pneumatic solution, it's easy to broken the components. But with our electrical gripper solution, because we have a very good force control performance, so we can protect the components and reduce the failure rate. And the third one is 30% cost. Yeah, if we only compare the gripper cost, of course, the electric gripper, the cost is more expensive. But if we considering the integration cost and maintenance cost, yeah, and also the lifetime of electric gripper is usually 5 to 10 times. So that means we need to compare like 10 pneumatic grippers with 1 electric grippers. So in this way, we can help customer to reduce around 30% of the cost. Yeah, and another one is about lifetime. I just introduced because we can reach our grippers. We can reach 30 million times without any maintenance. But usually for the pneumatic is only million times. Yeah, another one is we can help customer improve 15% the production efficiency, as well as we can reduce around 15% to 20% carbon emissions. Yeah, so this is about our global environment. Yeah. Yeah, another one is we can help customer to improve the 30 to 40% the optimization potential, intelligence, and the data driving. So about the data driving, because right now we call industrial 4.0 era. So everything in the factory we need the data. But with the pneumatic, if we need the data, we may need some sensors. Some other components, but with the electrical grippers and actuators, we are able to get the data on the production, yeah, to help us to manage the factory intelligently. Okay, so lastly, I would like to share about some little bit about DH-Robotics company. Yeah, so. Simply to say, we have some data to summary about DH-Robotics. So first, we are a #1 China electrical actuators brand. Yeah. Also, I have to say, if we mention about the electric grippers for cobots in China, more than 70% of the market share is from DH. And here in Japan, with the support from TechShare, I believe more and more customers also know the DH-Robotics. And we are not only Japan, we have a lot of customers from US, from Europe, and Korea, also Germany, and also Asian markets. So we already cover more than 40 countries. Yeah. So in more than 40 countries, we have a partners and distribution system there. So we also have more than 50 product series. So if we talk about electric grippers, we have more than 100 different models to cover the customer requirements. Yeah. So you can choose the different grippers for your application cases. Also, in last 5 years, DH-Robotics, we keep more than 120% growth. So every year we grow a lot. I remember 5 years ago when I joined DH-Robotics, we are only 40%, but right now we have more than 300 employees. Yeah, so we have a bigger team, but mostly we still focus on R&D, so we have more than 120 engineers. So that's why every year we also have some new products, which is for factory automation solutions. Yeah. So nowadays we have served more than 800 factories, including some big customers like Foxconn, like Samsung, like BYD. BYD and Foxconn, they are the biggest factories in China, and we do have a lot of application cases there. So until now we have sold more than 100,000 pieces, grippers, and cylinders. Yeah, I believe this number in next year gonna be totally different because in this year we are also have a lot of increasing on the sales. Yeah. So this is a brief description about DH-Robotics company. And next is we would like to introduce our chef advisor, Professor Jen. So as you can see, he really have a lot of titles in robotic industry. So he is the president of the Robotics Research Institute at SUS Tech. Actually is a very famous university in China. Also, he is the fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering. So I think the most important title is he also is the professor of our management team when they studied the PhD at the King's College of London. So Dr. Jason and Dr. Zhang and Dr. Ke and Mr. Shuang Jia, they are our management team. So when they finish the PhD study, they come back to China and created DH-Robotics. Yeah. And here, as you can see, is some end-user customer who are using DH-Robotics in their factories. So as you can see, we have customers from semiconductor industry, like Huawei, also SanDisk, and we have customers from battery industry, like CATL, the biggest car battery factory in the world. Also, for electronics industry, we have customers like Samsung, Foxconn, BYD, and Lenovo. Yeah. So also in automotive, we also have some application cases from Toyota and Volkswagen and also Hyundai. Yeah. So nowadays we have more than 800 customers from the worldwide are using our products. So lastly, I would like to mention to summarize what a company of DH is like. So we are a company, we are aimed to enhance the flexibility and the intelligence in manufacturing. Yeah. So also TechShare is one of our very important partners here in Japan, and I think after the lecture, if you have any questions on DH products, and you can contact DH or contact Miyajima-san from TechShare for more information. So here you can scan our one is our website, and one is our LinkedIn and YouTube. On YouTube, we do have hundreds of application cases, so you can follow us and check more application there. Yeah. So thank you. Thanks for your time.
Yeah. ありがとうございました。